How to become a data scientist. Data scientists are among the top jobs in India. To become a data scientist, you'll need a combination of technical skills, workplace skills, and education. Learn more on how to become a data scientist from this guide. Careers as data scientists rank among the top jobs in India. According to India Today, data scientists are in demand and can command high pay. Since 2012, the data science sector has witnessed a massive hike of 650%, far outpacing other sectors. 1. If you are thinking about becoming a data scientist, you could be setting yourself up for a satisfying career. This article will explain how to become a data scientist to help you decide if this career path suits you. Skills to sharpen. To become a data scientist, you will need to sharpen both your technical and workplace skills, as both are essential for success in this field. Technical skills. Technical skills that you will need to know to become a data scientist include big data technologies such as Hadoop, Hive, Pig, Cassandra, and MapReduce. Data-driven predictive model development. Ruby, R, Python, MATLAB, C++, Java, SQL, SPSS, SAS, PHP. Multivariate statistics, such as regression principal components analysis and clustering. Large data set management using Teradata, Oracle, or SQL. Business intelligence tools such as MicroStrategy, Business Objects, and Tableau. B. Workplace skills. Being a data scientist involves working with many software programs, computing languages, people, and data types. Data scientists must constantly determine the best way to process, analyze, and articulate the findings to various people. As a result, to succeed as a data scientist, all of the following workplace skills can be helpful. Open-mindedness. Communication skills. Teamwork. Persistence. Agreeableness. Leadership. Articulation. A bachelor's or master's degree is beneficial for gaining employment in the field of data science in India. Certification courses in data science and machine learning can help you learn essential skills, boost your resume, and help you stand out in the competition. Apart from this, mathematics is an essential skill if you're seeking a career as a data scientist. Algebra, calculus, and statistics are critical skills that can give you an advantage when seeking jobs. Your programming skills should be up to date, and you can publish work on GitHub to further your experience in data science. Don't overlook the benefits of partaking in online competitions to strengthen your skills. Thanks for watching.